Hello there and welcome back to another video here on Wound Up Watch Reviews. In this video we're going to be unboxing and taking a quick look at a Swedish watch. This is from the brand Sjöö Sandström. They're based in Stockholm and has always been based in Stockholm. They produce quite unique and cool watches that are entirely assembled here in Sweden. This watch in particular is very interesting. It is a quartz watch, you watch aficionados out there, but it is a very interesting one. It has been made in collaboration with the Swedish Air Force, and it is used by the Swedish Air Force, by their pilots, and it is called the UTC Skydiver. And without any further ado, let's just get right into the box. So I'm going to be reviewing this watch in a couple of weeks, so stay tuned for that if you're in any way, shape or form interested in this watch. So down there is your certificate and all that, but this is what we are interested in, the watch itself. So let's open up the box. And there it is. So let's take a closer look at the UTC Skydiver. As you can see by the seconds hand, this is of course a quartz watch, but it does have a trick up its sleeve very similar to the Breitling Aerospace. As you can see, bam, it does have a digital display here, there and there. Now this is extremely similar to the Breitling Aerospace, especially in the way you control it, although it does have two extra buttons, which makes it quite a lot more easier to control. Case, it's 44 millimeters in diameter, so it is quite big. It does have a sapphire crystal here with, I believe it does have AR coating. It does have a dive timing bezel here, which is a bit odd on a pilot's watch. This comes right here on a rubber strap, although it is also available on a normal metal bracelet. It's got a very nice looking clasp here. On the back it says official watch of the Swedish Air Force. It tells you what number this watch is. This is number 2219. It shows you it has a 10 atmosphere water resistance rating, etc. Now let's pop it on the wrist and take a look at how this looks on my 19.5 centimeter wrist. And there it is. As you guys know, and as you guys could probably guess, a 19.5 centimeter wrist is quite large, so this 44 millimeter watch fits quite well on my wrist. Although I would believe that if you have smaller wrists than I have, you might get into some trouble getting this watch to fit nicely on your wrist. It is quite light, although it does feel very, high quality. The rubber strap is very comfortable and it does taper down. And this beautiful clasp is just really great looking. I'm not sure about how I feel about the SS logo here, but yeah, there's that. Anyway though, let's take a look at how you control this watch and what kind of functions are on this watch. So you control it just like you do on the Breitling Aerospace by turning the crown fast. And that gets you to all of the different functions. The first function is having the top and bottom display turned off and the side display showing you the date, so it's the 3rd of September today. The next one is just the time. I believe you can have this set to a different time zone if you want to use it as that, although I have it being set to the exact same time zone as here. The second function shows you the month, the date and the year, and then up here the week. Third function gives you an alarm. I have set the alarm to 06:10 a.m. It's gonna beep at that time to wake you up. The next function is a chronograph. Very simple. Pause, reset. Next one is a timer, and I just love this feature. Okay, so let me reset the timer. And then this is how you change how long the timer is going to last for. So you pull out the crown, bam. Now that's flashing. Now you click this bottom button to get to the hour. And then if you want to switch hours, just go up how many hours you want the timer to run. I want it to run for 0 hours, no, 0 hours. Then again for the minutes. And I want it to run for, let's say, 0 minutes and let's say 10 seconds. Boom, now it's going, 10 seconds, and we'll see how the beeping sounds like. And you turn it off just by pushing the crown. It's got a very intuitive interface. So yeah, really interesting watch. I have had this since Friday. Today it is Monday. And I can't wait to bring you guys my review of this watch. So far it's been great. I like it. It's a very unique watch. And yeah, thanks for watching this video. Please feel free to like and subscribe if you liked this video, of course. And I'll catch you guys in my next videos. Bye bye.